the bonsai that survived a nuclear blast. History lives in smallest things. And sometimes the smallest things survive the greatest storms. This is no ordinary bonsai. It has witnessed history, survived devastations, and stand up today as a symbol of resilience and peace. August 6, 1945, a day that changed the world forever. The atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, wiped out nearly everything in its path, but in a quiet nursery, just 2 miles from ground zero, something remarkable happened. Masaru Yamaki, a bonsai master, has carefully nurtured his tree for generations. When the bomb struck, his home was damaged, glass shattered. Miraculously, he and his family survived, and so did his prized bonsai trees, protected by the walls of his nursery. One of those trees, a white pine bonsai, was later gifted to the United States in 1976 as a part of a bicentennial celebration. For years, its incredible history remained a secret until 2001, when Yamaki's grandsons visited the arboretum and revealed its past. Nearly 400 years old, this bonsai has endured war, destruction, and time itself. Today, it stands as a living statement to the survival, peace, and the enduring bond between nations.